Hi children, today onwards we are going to learn from second term book. Now we will discuss the first unit of second term book. Okay children? Yeah. The topic of the lesson is food. Children, I hope you like this topic very much, isn't it? Yeah. Food is one of the basic needs of all living beings. Plants and animals are the main source of food. Children, why do you eat every day? Every day we feel hungry and then eat something, isn't it? What happens if you don't eat sometimes? Our body is telling us that it needs food, isn't it? Children, why do we need food? Food is one of the basic components of our life. It gives us energy to work and play. It builds our body and keeps us healthy. Children, food is the source of our energy. We cannot survive without food. Every day we eat different food items. Some are raw and some are cooked. Each of these food items contains different types of nutrients in different quantities. There are 5 main nutrients that our body requires. They are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Let's see one by one. First one is carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are one of the main types of nutrients. Our body needs energy to do work, play, and do other activities. The foods which give energy are called carbohydrates. So, carbohydrates are energy giving food. For example, rice, wheat, potato, sugar cubes, and bread. Proteins. Proteins are bodybuilders. It build, maintain, and replace the tissues in our body. They are also known as bodybuilding foods. Example, fish, milk, egg, nuts, and sprouted seeds. Fats. Like carbohydrates, fats also provide energy for the body. They act as the body's energy reservoir. Fats also help to keep the body warm during very cold weather. Too much fat in the body may lead to obesity or overweight. Some food items that contain fats are cheese, butter, ghee, meat, oil, and nuts. Vitamins. Vitamins protect our body from deficiency diseases. Our body needs vitamins to work properly. Food rich in vitamins are carrot, orange, gooseberry, papaya, and greens. The last one is minerals. Minerals regulate the body functions. It helps in formation of blood, bone, teeth, etc. Food rich in minerals are fig, pear, garlic, banana, and apple. Children, most of you like to eat food items like burger, pizza, and chocolate, which are not good for health. They make us to gain extra weight. Children, avoid eating unhealthy foods and eat nutritious food to stay healthy. A healthy snack may include sprouts, fruits, and salads. Eat healthy, stay healthy.